Okay.
What's up, guys? We just came to the next taco truck. It's called Ricos Tacos. Same place on Archer and what is that? California. Archer in California. This doesn't have an address or anything. Well, it's a taco truck, right? They give you the chiles and onions too. It's not good. The other one was better. They had better service here, but the meat's not that good. No. They didn't give me hot sauce either. I'll try it with the chile. I'll put some limon. See if that makes it better. No. Yeah, try the other truck. What was the other one? Ray's? Royal? What is it? I forgot what it was. But yeah, I'll give this a 4.4 out of 10. Yeah, it wasn't good. Have a good one, guys.